Have you ever attended an event before where you didn't know what to do? You walked in, it was a little bit awkward. You're like, where do I sit? I don't really know anyone. Maybe you're a brand new employee and you're like, it's like my first day on the job and I'm expected to like engage in this meeting, but I don't really know anyone. That's one of the great reasons why icebreakers are so important. It's because you sit down and you're like, hi, right? Well, here at Elevate Experiences, it's one of the reasons why we love breaking the ice. And one of the ways that you can do that are with simple icebreaker questions. Now, if you're starting off an employee event or for your employee a meeting or a workshop, then one of the things that you can do are ask some really simple and fun questions like, hey, share with everyone a fun fact about you, or share with everyone which type of French fries you would prefer. Are they crinkle cut fries? Are they straight fries? Or are they waffle fries? So you can do something fun like that. But then beyond that, if you're hosting an employee-only event like a town hall, or you're doing a team building workshop or something along those lines, then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna ask fun icebreaker questions, but then you're gonna wanna have icebreaker questions that jumpstart the conversation to help you as a leader get your employees thinking about how can our business get better. And so I've got 7 icebreaker questions for you that are specifically geared towards business growth. Ready? Here we go. So here we are, my friends. We've got conversation starters. These are 7 icebreaker questions to help you create conversations around business growth. Now, who's this for? This could be for a mid-level manager. It could be a CEO or another C-suite executive. It could be for a vice president, or it could be an employee. And these questions are for anyone to start the conversation around how can our business, how can our department get better? Now, a couple of quick tips for you with icebreakers, and specifically with these icebreakers, is to number 1, make them simple. Number 2 is to use them early and often. And to number 3, make them on theme with whatever you're talking about. So these 7 icebreaker questions, you don't have to use all of them, but take one of them and adapt it to your business or adapt it to your meeting and change it in a way that it makes sense for the context in which you're meeting together. Question number 1 is, who is a client we wished we had more clients like? Who's like a favorite ideal client? You're like, oh man, it would be great if we had them. And then let people talk and let people share, and then ask the follow-up question of why. Question number 2 is, what is something we do that we should do more of? So you can ask this question and then go popcorn style, or you can ask this question, have everyone go around and share. It's completely up to you. Question number 3 is, what is your favorite brand? Is it Coca-Cola or Lululemon or Apple? You can even have a list of brands ready to go if you would like to. Question number 4 is, you could even put logos on the screen. What do you think of when you see these logos? That's a great way to bring to life the conversation so that people see it and they immediately have a reaction when it comes to a certain brand. And then what a really fun question 5 would be, or maybe it's just questions 1 and 2, is then you put, after the logos of all these other companies, then you put your logo up on the screen. Put your logo there and say, what do you think of when you see our logo? Question number 6 is, what is something we should start doing, or what is something we should stop doing? Start doing or stop doing, that's a really fun conversation. And be prepared as a leader, as someone who's in the department. Be sure that you're ready to have some really hard conversations, because hey, if you're asking this question, you might not like the answers yourself, but they might be really important for your business to succeed. And then question number 7 is, how do we keep our best talent? In the war for talent, how do we keep our best talent? Because there are people that are out there that are ready and waiting and willing to jump in and to make a difference in people's lives. And so this question is super important for your business. And hey, if you liked this video, you're going to love what we have for you. You can click a link in the description below or go to elevateexperiences.com/store. And we've got more icebreakers, and we've got some really fun activities that you can do with your teams at your next meeting, at your next event. And if this video was helpful for you, we'd be so honored if you gave it the thumbs up. If you click the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, the little bell icon, which means you're gonna get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And feel free to drop a comment below. Which question is something that you can ask at your next meeting? Was it question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7? Thanks, y'all. This has been a fun video, and I hope that these icebreaker questions for you are helpful for your next employee event, and I hope that they help your business grow. We'll see you later.